Abby, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this really pretty bronzy look. It's super easy to create. It's just two shadows. So yeah, it's really easy. I love how it looks. It looks really pretty with blue eyes, especially I feel like. But it looked pretty on anybody. So I really hope you guys enjoy. And if you want to see how I created this look, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and I have my brows filled in and I have my foundation and concealer on, and I primed my lids, so we're just going to go in straight to the eyeshadow. For today's look, I'm going to be using my Morphe Jacklynn Hill palette. It's my favorite. So I'm just going to be starting by taking this color right here. It's a really nice, just a really nice brown color. And I'm just going to pick some of that up on my MAC 217 brush and just start that in the crease. And you're actually just going to be kind of putting that like all over your lid. This is kind of like a bronzy smoky eye, so yeah, you don't have to be super neat with this, just as long as it's nice and like blended. And then just bring it out just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take a more flat brush and I'm going to pick up this shade right over here. It's this really pretty bronzy shimmery shade, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. I'm starting it in the crease and bringing it down. And kind of pressing and dragging, that just way it gives a little more pigment. And back and forth to kind of create a bit of a line almost, just so it's not like all the way up, since it is a shimmery shade. And now for inner corner highlight, I'm just going to be using my favorite inner corner highlight, which is the shade right here. It's called Obsessed. And just popping it on right here. I'm just going to curl my lashes using my Tarte lash curler. And today I'm actually going to be trying out a new mascara. It's the new Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I used the Total Temptation brow pencil, and I really like it. It is a little dark for me right now. I do need to get a lighter one, but the application is really nice, and it's so long, like it's gonna last me for a long time, which I'm really excited for. So I'd put on a little bit of this yesterday, but I already had mascara, so it's kind of hard to get like a good idea of what it's actually like. But so far so good. I really like this brush. It's really nice and thick. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, and now I am just going to go in with some falsies. You can totally skip this step, but I just love falsies. So, okay, so I just have the glue on now. You just want to let it get a little bit tacky. And then you just want to kind of look down and set them right on your lash line as close as you can get it. Just like let it set a little bit, and then I like to go in with tweezers and go on both sides of my rear lash and then the falsies and just kind of pinch them together. Just so they look really much like blended together. There's no like separation. And then just repeat on the other eye. Okay, so now the lashes are on, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab those same shadows that I put on my lid and do them on my lower lash line. And then just doing some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, now we're just going to bronze up the face and put some blush on. I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer Benefit, and I'm actually just going to be taking the brush that it comes with and doing a little bit of a line. Moving it upward. And then just taking my Morphe brush, I'm going to be taking some more and just blending it in and getting it look nice and super bronzy. And for blush today, I'm going to be using my Milani Baked Blush in Rose d'Oro. I haven't used this one in a while, so I thought I would use it today. Putting some of that on. This is a really pretty blush. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. I just used the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Spray. And for highlighter, I think I'm going to use my Master Chrome highlighter again, the Molten Gold from Maybelline. I just love this stuff so much. Just a little bit on the nose. I'm just taking my e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm just going to make sure everything's nice and blended. For lips, I'm going to be first lining my lips with my MAC lip pencil in Hover, just pretty lightly. And then going in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 05 Loyalist. I've been loving this color this week. It stays so long and it's just so pretty. I don't think I'd ever worn it on its own, and I love it though. It's so pretty. And that's the complete look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And make sure to follow me on social media, on Instagram a lot, and then occasionally Twitter, but definitely follow me on Instagram. And check out my blog, lifewithabbie.com. And I believe that is everything. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!